Jaylene, and I am playing the woman.
I'm Roland Lane, and I am person 1 in the train. The train is about misconnections that you have with people, whether it be going to, commuting, you're running late towards something. There's the connection that you have with someone in passing that isn't fully explored. And it's like, what happens when you fully explore a certain urge that you get to either just say hi to someone, just to wave at someone.
People should come see The Train because I think the show is a lot about your comfort zones and what it means to step out of your comfort zones, because you might just have a really wonderful experience that if you just stay to yourself, you'll never get again.